Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an employment letter. What is the letter of employment? A letter of employment, sometimes called an employment verification letter, is written by an employer to verify an employee's working status. It confirms the employee's job title, salary, history at the organization and the organization's contact information. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write an employment letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, you must write your information. Here, write your full name. And write your title or occupation in the company. Write the company name. And write the address of the company. You need to include the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. After that, write the date of the letter. Here, you can use the format of month, date, and year. For the next, write the information about the recipient of this letter. Write the full name. Under it, write the company or organization name. And write the address of the company or organization. Don't forget to mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. And you can open the letter with salutation like Dear Mr., Ms., or Mrs., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, write the reason why you are writing this letter. Here, write that this letter is to certify or confirm the income and employment of someone. Yes, you need to mention the full name of that someone. And then, you write that the person is an employee of a company. And mention the name of the company or organization. And also, mention the title or job position or occupation in the company. In this case, the letter is to certify the employment and income of Matthew Simpsons. He works at Company Inc. as a general counsel. After that, you need to mention since when the person works at the company. Mention the month, date, and year. For the next, write the location of the company or organization. You should write the number, street name, city, state, and zip code as well. And after confirming about the employment, you can confirm the income. Here, you can either mention the monthly or annual income. In this example, the writer mentions the annual income, which is $90,000. And if there is bonus and so on, you should mention it too here. Write how much the annual bonus is. In the second paragraph, this is where you mentioned additional documents or proof of the income. You need to mention the wage and statement or W-2 as well as pay stubs. And confirm that the documents and all information you provide here are valid. In the third paragraph, offer the recipient to contact you if they have queries regarding this employment verification information. You can give your personal contact information like phone number and email address. And finally, close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature. Under it, write your full name. And write your title or occupation in the company as well as the name of the company. You can also mention your commission expired date. So, that's how you write an employment letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.